Here's the bun tutorial for you guys. It's super quick and easy. So I take a scrunchie and I make a ponytail and create a little bun. Then I take the tail of that, I twirl it around once, loop it around and tuck it in.
Only you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right.
Some of y'all are gonna be really mad at me because you've asked me how to do my messy bun, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really easy. So first you have a scrunchie or a hair tie or one of those spirals, plastic things, whatever, and then you flip your head upside down and you literally grab it how you would all the time and take some pieces and do this. You kind of shake it and some hairs come loose, and after you do that you have your scrunchie in your hand and the hair in one hand. Hold it halfway through, twist it around, grab the rest of the hair, pull it through, and you're done.
Ella que me lo ponga pa' atrás, pa' atrás, pa' atrás.
Now from the top, make it drop, that's some wet, Now get a bucket and a mop, that's some wet, I'm talking wop, that's some wet, Macaroni in a pot.
Feel so good down, and I don't know why I'm addicted. So I'm like sick with it, group drop.
You look so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear, and I know now that I'm so down.